Over the years, there have been many different hand washing options for vulnerable communities, but for each of these, there have been barriers or limitations of some kind that have made them difficult to use. COVID-19 created many challenges for our work in humanitarian context, but because hand washing remains such a critical prevention measure to the spread of this disease, COVID also provided a perfect opportunity to trial Oxfam's new hand washing station. This product is something we had developed with multiple collaborators over the course of several years, incorporating feedback from various stakeholders, including the people who would ultimately be using it, to not only address the issues presented by previous designs, but also to find a sustainable solution for promoting hand washing behavior. The design went through multiple iterations from a very basic starting point to a final product that is really quite sophisticated. We wanted to create something that will not only encourage people to wash their hands during disease outbreaks, but help them to change their attitude towards hand washing in general, something that will really make a difference. Thanks to support from the Humanitarian Innovation Fund, which is enabled by ELRA and FCDO, we were able to distribute 2,400 hand washing kits to 3 different countries, DRC, Ethiopia, and Bangladesh, to help prevent the spread of COVID and encourage people to adopt healthier behaviors. These hand washing kits have many advantages. They are cheaper, more durable, and easier to install than other options. The design is attractive and includes mirrors, which have been proven to encourage people to stay for longer, and also has a dispenser for water and soap at each end. This creates the opportunity for 2 people to wash their hands at the same time, particularly appropriate in the context of COVID, as the design creates sufficient distance between 2 people. Another key feature is the drainage tube that carries wastewater away. Also, previous designs did not consider conserving water, but this is something we wanted to address, especially because water access can be such a challenge in many areas. Another advantage is that this design is robust and can resist the pressure of many hand washes. With a 24-liter tank, it can accommodate up to 200 washes, so the issue of refilling the water level often is reduced with this design. To further encourage people to wash their hands, we have been doing promotional activities using Mom's Magic Hands, a storytelling approach that uses emotional motivators to help people understand the importance of hand washing. We have testimonies from mothers especially who say that they really never knew how important it is for preventing COVID, despite messages from government or other NGOs. But they are now taking it on as a personal habit, really connecting this to their families, to the welfare of their children, to their health. All the kits have been installed since February this year, are functioning, and we have seen a great increase in uptake, particularly amongst children and people with disabilities. That's another thing that makes this design unique. It's adjustable for different groups of people. We can adjust the height for children, and the same applies for people with disabilities, specifically those using wheelchairs. Given the tremendous impact of this new design in the 3 pilot countries, we are hoping to scale up and distribute kits to all corners of the world. Our hope is to one day see them being used across all emergency contexts, helping people to change their behaviors, helping people to truly understand the impact of regular hand washing, ultimately reducing disease transmission and saving lives.